As the first light of day stretches across Rome, it spills over the ruins like a golden tide. The remnants of an empire long past awaken under the soft glow of morning, their shadows stretching across time itself. The Roman Forum, once the beating heart of public life, lies just beyond, its columns and arches whispering tales of senators, philosophers, and rulers who once shaped the world. In the distance, the silhouette of the Colosseum stands quietly, a monument to power, spectacle, and endurance. Stepping into the Colosseum, history is felt in the bones of the structure. The weight of time lingers in every stone, every archway. Once a stage for warriors and beasts, its grandeur belies the brutality that unfolded within. Tens of thousands once filled these stands, watching as gladiators fought for survival, as emperors swayed the will of the people with spectacles of blood and triumph. From different vantage points, the arena tells its own story. Standing in the lower chambers, the remnants reveal an underground labyrinth where men and animals waited beneath the stage of battle. Just beyond the amphitheater, Trajan's Forum unfolds, a glimpse into the ambition of emperors. Commissioned by Emperor Trajan, the grand complex once boasted a vast marketplace and a towering column carved with depictions of his victories. It was a center of commerce, politics, and military triumph, a testament to the power Rome once wielded. Nearby, the Forum of Augustus, with its imposing temple ruins, once honored Mars, the god of war, embodying the city's indomitable spirit. The Roman Forum stands as the very foundation of ancient Rome. What was once a bustling hub of political speeches, religious ceremonies, and daily life now remains as scattered ruins, each stone holding a piece of the empire's soul. Among the ruins, certain structures command particular attention. The Temple of Antoninus and Faustina, originally built in honor of the deified emperor and his wife, still bears traces of its transformation into a medieval church, where ancient Roman and Christian histories intertwine. The medieval portico, an unexpected remnant of later centuries, stands as a reminder that Rome's story did not end with the fall of the empire, it merely evolved. And from the heights of the Palatine Hill, the birthplace of Rome itself, sweeping views of the Forum and beyond remind us that, even in ruin, the eternal city remains unparalleled. Wandering through its paths, it's easy to picture the crowds that once gathered here. The echoes of orators addressing the Senate, merchants bartering in the streets, the scent of burning incense from temples devoted to forgotten gods. Time has reshaped these spaces, but the presence of Rome's past is undeniable. As the sun sinks beneath the horizon, the Colosseum is bathed in amber and crimson. The day's final light casts long shadows across the ruins, softening the stone yet deepening the history. What was once a place of roaring crowds and clashing steel is now quiet, a relic that continues to command awe centuries later. The night settles in, and from a perfect vantage point, the Colosseum becomes something almost surreal. At the court, a bar that offers a front row seat to history, the flickering city lights reflect against ancient stone. A moment of stillness, a glass raised in reverence to the past and the present. Because in Rome, every moment is part of something greater, something timeless.